it's Megan with WTI, and I love having ingredients that I can swap out in a recipe to increase the goodness of the meal. And one of those ingredients for me has definitely been this Kettle and Fire beef bone broth. It has the rich and delicious flavor of the best beef broth that you ever tasted, but it has the added health benefits of collagen protein. I have used this bone broth in so many ways. It's delicious to drink just as it is, and I love adding it to soups, but it is great to add to gravy. I just make my gravy base and I slowly pour this bone broth in. It acts just like regular beef broth in my gravy recipe. It emulsifies perfectly smoothly with the gravy thickener, and it results in this luscious, rich gravy. It adds amazing beef flavor along with all of the awesome health benefits of bone broth. If you want to up the flavor and the goodness of yours and your family's meals, then I would definitely recommend this Kettle and Fire beef bone broth. And that's my point of view.